Good day. This is a recording on the discussions on appendicitis, still part of our series of medical surgical concepts involving gastrointestinal conditions. When we speak of appendicitis class, it's very obvious that this is a case where the appendix is inflamed, no? So itis of the appendix. Let us try to correct layman from saying na-admit siya, gioperahan, ngano man na-appendix manggod siya, or na-kidney manggod siya, or na-tonsil manggod siya. But actually, class, you have to specify the word itis because everyone has an appendix, di ba? It is only when these appendices are inflamed that the problem arises. But what's more important, class, is to know what is an appendix. So the appendix is that small finger-like structure found attached to the cecum. Okay? So mangutana gani ko, unsa ang parts of the large intestine? People usually say, ascending, transverse, descending, sigmoid. Would that be correct? Sayop. Ngano man? Because if your answer would be that, unsa ang parts of the large intestine, asa man nimo ibitay imong cecum? Asa man nimo ibitay imong appendix? Take note that the appendix is found at the first portion of the large intestine, which is the cecum. So, kani ang imong cecum, then you have the colon comprised of ascending, transverse, descending, then the sigmoid before you have the rectum. So, unsa man gyud parts sa large intestine? Aron klaro ta ha. Large intestine are comprised of 3 parts. Cecum, colon, rectum. But the colon is subdivided into 4 divisions: ascending, transverse, and sigmoid. Now, looking at the parts of the large intestine, question, asa man nimo dapita makita imong appendix? Naa sa cecum. Okay? So naa diri dapita sa cecum ang imuhang appendix. Now, unsa may naong ana niya? It's a small finger-like structure, okay, that is continually secreting a mucus. And the mucus it contains is immunoglobulin A. Okay? So, sir, mabuhi ba ang tao kung wala siya ay appendix? Yes. Mabuhi gihapon ang tao bisan wala siya ay appendix. But to compare a person nga naay appendix ug wala, aw mas healthy ang naay appendix. Ngano man? Because he produces more immunoglobulins than those nga walay appendix. Ang immunoglobulin A is important in fighting against infection. So, comparably, mas stronger ang immune system sa tao nga naapay appendix because he can form more immunoglobulins A than those nga wala na appendix. Pero di manggod kay ang appendix ra ang source sa imong IgA. Naaman pud na siya sa saliva. Unya, sa mga mabdos, naa na siya sa breast milk. O, naa na siya sa mga luha, sipon, laway. No? Naa din na sa mga secretion sa lawas, naa ang immunoglobulin A. But of course, mas different kung napakay appendix, kay mas daghan ka og immunoglobulin A. So, an appendix is responsible for, primarily, for the formation of mucus which contains immunoglobulin A. And other than that, class, ang imuhang appendix serves as a safe house where gut bacteria could stay. Di ba, ang gut bacteria usually naa sa colon. Unsa may kasagaran din ha, Escherichia coli. Ha? Mao man ay naa sa colon, mabitaw nang ang babae kung may UTI unsa hinungdan, E. coli. Ngano man duol man ang lubot sa imong vagina because E. coli are residents of the colon. Pero sa kadaghan nila, pasinhuot ra ang colon para nila. Napaday sila extra territory. Where is that? At the appendix. Now, to summarize, unsa ang functions sa appendix? Gamit ba ang appendix? Yes. I would submit yes, but not really very significant. Because number 1, while it forms immunoglobulin A, it is not the only organ that forms it. And number 2, it gives an extra space. It gives a safe house for the gut bacteria. So to answer the question, mabuhi ba ang tao nga walay appendix? Buhi kayo. No? Buhi kayo. In fact, class, there are some, I do not know if this is verified, no? There are some places that are too remote nga di ka pwede mo adtuan ang lugar kung nakay appendix. Ngano man, kung ma-inflame ko ang imong appendix ditong dapita tungod sa iyahang ka-remote, maabta na lang kag pagkamatay because of the complications of a ruptured appendix before mahatag ang medical treatment tungod sa ka-remote sa lugar. Sounds reasonable, no? Sounds possible. Ba? So, if you have the chance, maybe nga magpatangtang na lang appendix, ay patangtang na lang po siguro appeal, no? Because delikado mga class. The benefit we get from the appendix is far from the risk in case nga mabuto ang imuhang appendix. Okay? So where is the appendix found? It is found at the cecum of the large intestine. Now, doing your health assessment, and your CI would tell you, oh, please locate where the appendix is. Asa man dapita? Is it at the right or is it at the left? It is at the right, ba? Is it at the upper quadrant or lower quadrant? So nanaka sa right lower quadrant. Okay? At the right lower quadrant sits the appendix, but you call that special point where it is found as the McBurney's point. Asa man ang McBurney's point? It is that point sa tunga where the line that runs from the umbilicus goes to the superior iliac crest. Oh. So kanino? Oh. This is the superior iliac crest and this is your umbilicus. When you draw a straight line on that area, exactly and precisely at the middle of which is the McBurney's point. That is where the appendix is found. Okay? So, nganong naamay appendicitis? Tinuod nang giingon ni mama nga, ayaw lagi dagan-dagan, inig humanog kaon. Ayaw lagi lukso-lukso, inig humanog kaon, kay ma-appendix ka, di ba anak po si mama? No? Is that correct? Well, I would say partially correct. Nga naman, kung mahuman ka kaon, you are supposed to rest. Because there's so much work at the digestive system after you eat that blood must be concentrated at the digestive system, not on your arms, not on your legs, where physical activity is done. Putanta, bago kang kaon. O sa kakilong lechon, o sa kakilong kanon imong gikaon. Unya, mag-basketball ka. Ang imong dugo could only do as much. Moana ang dugo. Asa man jud ko ani? Adto ba ko tiil nga gadagandagan or ari ba ko tiyan nga nagaling sa pagkaon? So sa may implication class, if you do physical activity while you are still busog, indigestion, or that nutrients from the food could not be obtained very well because foods had not been digested very well, because for digestion to be efficient, kinahanglan daghan o dagan nga dugo dito dapita. Unya kay asa mang dugo nga nagbasketball ba ka dito sa imong bagtak, ba? So that's it. Sakto siya anan dapita. But not because ang imong gikaon og munggos baro imong gikaon, unsa man ang munggos or ang tawgi na shoot dito sa imong appendix? Tungod sa imong pagdagandagan? Dili, no? What could have caused appendicitis? Appendicitis class is caused by a fecalith. Tae nga nigahi. No? It could be caused by a parasite. Bitok, for example. Okay? It could be caused by a tumor. Or it could also be caused by a foreign body. Liso, for example. Okay? Unsa may nahitabo ani nila kaning upat, fecalith, parasite, tumor, foreign body. It blocks, it occludes your appendix. Example, kani class. This is your cecum, for example. Okay? Unya naa man na dinha ni sud ang atong appendix, di ba? This is the appendix. This is your appendix. The appendix secretes mucus. You know that. And its secretion is continuous. And what does the mucus contain? Di ba it contains immunoglobulin A. Kaning IgA, pinaagi sa mucus, musulod padulong dito sa cecum. Karon, naa may nag-ali. Unsa to'y nag-ali? Naa kay fecalith. Naa kay liso or foreign body. Naa kay bitok or naa kay tumor. Simple as that. Question, will the mucus production stop? Dili. Magsigig gihapon na siyang secret og mucus. Magsigig secret og mucus ang pangutana, nakagawas ba? Wala. So unsa may mahitabo sa imong appendix? Amuhubag, muinat sa siya, mo stretch siya, and tungod sa iyahang ka-stretch, question, can the blood flow through it? Dili na. Ato na nang gitawag og ischemia. O kay na may ischemia, that could lead to inflammation. Or worse, the ischemia could lead to rupture. So pwedeng inflammation, hubag lang, pwede sa gyud mubuto. Okay? And it's important to distinguish that. Kay kung inflammation lang, dili kaayo na siya fatal pa. No, di pa na fatal, pero kung mubuto na siya, fatal na kaayo. Nga naman, pagbuto si mong appendix, katag ang bitok, katag ang nana, katag ang liso, katag ang imong fecalith. So magkatag na dito, and remember, every time an intestinal or a gastric organ ruptures, two things may happen, di ba? Number one, there could be pagkabuslot, mukatag ang imuhang kagaw, you call it peritonitis. Or kay nabuslot man, pwede ka magdugo or hemorrhage. O, diri ang akong pangutana. How would you know that there is peritonitis? What is the hallmark symptom of peritonitis? Okay, rigidity of the abdomen or the board-like abdomen. How would you know that there is hemorrhage at the abdominal area? The bluish discoloration at the periumbilical area known as your Cullen sign. Okay? So class, this begins with things that may occlude. It could be in the form of a parasite, a fecalith, a tumor or a foreign body that blocks the flow of mucus. So kung di kawas ang imong mucus, muhubag. Kung muhubag siya, muburot siya, nainat siya, di na kaagi ang dugo. Say tawag anang no blood supply to an organ, ischemia. And what could be the complication? 1, inflammation. 2, rupture of the organ or of the appendix in this case. It's important, class, therefore, to know unsa kanino inflammation rabani or unsa kanino is this already a case of a rupture. What could be an indicator? What could be a sign? When we say inflammation, class, klaro kaayo na, tataw kaayo na sa temperature palang daan. When the temperature is low grade, hilanat nga di kaayo taas, 37.6, 37.7 up to 38 degrees. Kutob 38, low grade pa na. Pero malapas na gani kag 38, pasabot anak class ni buto na. So high fever indicates rupture, while low grade fever indicates inflammation. And also, inflammation could be indicated by the presence of pain, sakit. Pero kung mubuto na, unsa man, mas mo sakit? Dili, mawagtang ang sakit. That is precisely the reason why, class. Kung naamoy mga pamilya nga nagka-appendicitis, nagsigin taw tikukos kasakit sa akong appendix. Pwede pain reliever unsay sulti ni doc? Dili pwede hatagan og pain reliever. Okay? In practice today, no pain reliever is given to a patient with appendicitis because it will mask the pain, which is a sign nga kung mawa na siya, peritonitis na di ay ruptured appendix na di ay ni siya. Okay? So ayaw mo pangaway og nurse, ha? Ayaw mo pangaway og doktor kung dili hatagag pain reliever ang tao nga nag-anto sa kasakit sa appendicitis, because that's a matter of procedure. But let me make this known. There are recent studies now that it is more humane to give pain relievers to a person experiencing pain from appendicitis. But pain relievers must only be given after assessment and proper diagnostics. Ayaw hatagi wa pamases. Ihatag ko no after the assessment is done. So meaning to say, kung kamo may appendicitis, simba ko. Mangayo mo pain reliever, dili. Mangayo mo, dili. Mangayo og pain reliever provided humana ang assessment and diagnostic tests. Diagnostic test pertains to identifying the symptoms of appendicitis. Unsa man day symptoms sa appendicitis? Number 1, it could be leukocytosis. Unsa na leukocytosis? Taas imong WBC. So pila man na? Unsa man nakataas? More than 10,000. Remember Ben 10? Di ba Ben 10 is a hero? He fights against bad people. Our WBC are also heroes. They fight against bad bacteria or pathogens. And it is up to 10,000. So, di mo kalimot ha, nga 10,000 maximum na, Ben 10. B, basophil. E, eosinophil. N, neutrophil. Di ba, Ben? Nga, 10. heroes. Malapas gani, leukocytosis, basin, appendicitis. Number 2, you can have low-grade fever, ha? Di kaayo taas nga hilanat. And number 3, you can have nausea and vomiting. Lisod ba na siyang memorization? Di pod. Unsay sulti ni mama? Ni mama basta nagka-appendix ka kay nagsigi kag lukso. Nagsigi kuno kag lukso. O aron di mo kalimot anang tulo ka symptoms class. Tanawa ha? Lukso. L, leukocytosis. UK, ubos nga kainiton. Suka. O di lukso. Diba? Leukocytosis, ubos ra ang kainit. Unya, suka. Those are the 3 symptoms which are indicative of appendicitis. Other than the 3 class, there is one more symptom that we will have to watch out for. And that symptom is constipation. Question, nganong constipated ang tao nga naay appendicitis? The constipation is the result of our brain telling the bowel to stop because the brain noticed that something is wrong. Nakabantay ang imong utok, ayay, murag na magiguba diri. Ayay, murag na magiapan diri, stop sa ta. You call that class as your reflex ileus. Constipation is known as a reflex ileus, which is the body's protective mechanism to stop further inflammation. So those are our assessment findings. Now, finally, other than these symptoms, what are the tests that the nurse must do in order to prove that probably appendix yun So niyon sa tong nurse, ayay, mura man gyud ni appendicitis kay naa man gyud say symptoms sa lukso. Sa tong lukso, leukocytosis, ubos ra ang kainiton, unya suka murag appendix man gyud ni. Murag duda ko, murag probably appendicitis ni. Murag probably appendicitis gyud ni. Kay probably appendicitis ni mag psoas, Rovsing, obturator, o Bloomberg. These are the 4 health assessment procedures you do to a patient with appendicitis. Probably appendicitis, so you do P. psoas sign, psoas test. R, Rovsing sign, Rovsing test. O, obturator sign, obturator test. Or the Bloomberg's test, widely known as rebound tenderness. Psoas. What do you do on psoa? The right leg is extended. Pag-extend mo sa right leg, musakit gani ng imuha dihang kilid o ang imuhang lubot dapit, no? Imong kilid, specifically diri dapita. When pain is felt on that area when pain is felt on the appendix upon hyperextension of the leg, right leg, there is pain, is positive psoas. Nga naman, because in doing this, will move your psoa. And as your psoa moves, it taps upon your appendix, causing the pain. So nag-ana ra siya. Paglihok ko na nimo, maana man nimo, nya hubag naman ni daan, this is your appendix. Iniglihok nimo, malihok man siya, so sakit. The same is true with your obturator. This is your obturator. Imo ra nang tuyokon ang imuhang flex nga ni, pag tuyok nimo, musakit gani ang right nimo nga abdomen, right lower abdomen or ang appendix area, then that's positive. Nga naman, nag-ana ra man siya. Paglihok nimo, nagsige man siya kana-ana. Nya hubag man ning imong appendix, causing the pain. How about Rovsing? You press the left for 5 seconds and there is pain at the right. Sure, nganong ingon ana man? Diba? Imagine ha, this is your colon, no? This is your colon. Unsay buhaton? You press the sa ako ning pisliton diri. Pag pislit ako diha, musakit diri. Nganong ingon ana na sir? Imagine mo balon class. Kana mo tan-aw mo basketball ba unya namoy ka ng balon nga kanang taas kay nga oblong nga balon, no? Inig-press nimo diri, mun sa ning pikas. Moborot. That is precisely what happens in Rovsing. Kani. How about your rebound tenderness? Bloomberg's. What happens in Bloomberg's? When you press the right, there is no pain. But when you release your hand, there is pain. Okay. Nga naman na, if mo ni siyang akong tiyan, kaniklas, inipislit na ko with a 90-degree hand, pag-press na ko ana, ang imong mga internal organs mo padaplin sa na siya. Kaya mo mag-ipislit. So pag pislit ni mo ana mo padaplin ang internal organs, why sakit? Pero inigbuhi na ko sa kamot mo sa mga internal organs. Mo balik mo laptik, di ba? Pag balik niya, muragi kulata imong appendix nga hubag. Would it be painful? Guys, yes. So to know whether or not there is appendicitis, you look at kung nabay symptoms nga ni lukso. Oh, leukocytosis, ubos rang kainiton, unya suka plus constipation. Since nagduda man ka, you do the prob test. P, psoas. R, Robsing. O, obturator. B, Bloomberg or rebound tenderness. Finally, is this a board area? Definitely yes. Look at some questions, perhaps 2018. A client is admitted with suspected appendicitis. Which assessment finding is most indicative of acute appendicitis? Is it pain at the left? Is it pain at the left? Oh, wrong na dayon. Is it pain at the right? Oh, yes. Okay. Abdominal pain relieved by vomiting. No? Hyperactive bowel sounds. Hyperactive. Remember constipation? Nganong mag-constipation? Reflex ileus, no? The body attempts to stop everything because the brain has noticed that something is wrong. Hypoactive tingali. Dili hyperactive. Because hyperactive is to diarrhea, hypoactive is to constipation. Di ba? Klaro man. So, unsa may answers taga-UC? Right yung taga-UC. Letter D. Eh? Kinsa yung presidente niyo? Si, kinsa? Kendrick? Si Kendrick. 2011. 2011. A nurse is assessing a client with right lower quadrant pain. Which finding? Do not support. Kaklaro, sus, mao ditong nakapasar ang 2011. Mao na dito yung pangutana. Unsa tayo atong timan dire? Ni lukso. O, kinsa may wa sa lukso? In fact, this is the exact opposite of what we expect. Remember, it must have been constipation or at least hypoactive ang bowel sounds. And last, 2006, my board exam. Okay? A nurse is assessing a client with suspected appendicitis. The client reports right lower quadrant pain when the nurse palpates the left lower quadrant. There is pain when the nurse palpated the left. Unsa man na siya nga test? Murphy's sign. Ha? Sayop di ay? Unsa answer? Right, yun yung taga-UC. Robsing sign. Okay, that ends our discussion on appendicitis. Thank you for watching.